Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Just pulling in, doing a review on this 2017 Ram 1500 quad cab that you guys are looking at. Really a nice truck. Has 114,281 miles at the time of the shooting, but really looks and drives almost like a brand new truck. So someone definitely took really good care of this. I'm backing in and we'll take a look at it here. So it does have the factory backup monitor. As you can see, I'm doing a pretty terrible job of backing this up, but that's okay. That also doubles as your radio, AM, FM. Also has phone connectivity through USB. And then jumping up here, it's got the compass built in and volume control, heating and air conditioning controls down here. Does come with the factory electronic brake controller right here, which is really nice how they integrate that into the dash instead of the aftermarket spot, which is right here by your knee, which I always tend to bang on when I get in and out of these trucks. 8-speed transmission, shifter control are right here. Shifted through all the gears really good. Brakes as well felt really good. No suspension noise or anything like that. Four-wheel drive controls are right here. And also tow haul button there. This is powered by the 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine. A ton of power in this engine. I'm always surprised when I drive this. Controls up here for the center console are on the left side of the steering wheel. As you can see, there's no warning, engine, tire, no lights on at all in this vehicle. Cruise control right here. Power windows, power locks, and automatic headlights. Has 3 beverage holders in the center here and a nice glove compartment there. Even change dispenser for your hookup to your radio. It's got the aux port and the USB, as well as the 12-volt socket there for power. This does flip up, so this is a true 6-passenger pickup truck. And then coming over here, it does got the glove box, and it looks like it's got the factory books that's never even been opened. I feel like a lot of this truck's never been opened. Really clean. Let's check out the outside. Coming outside, it is the quad cab, which is the 4 doors, has the chrome running board, steps to get up inside. Tires are not original. They have been replaced, and there's good tread on those. It does have the chrome package, which is the chrome bumper, and also the chrome around the grill insert there. Looks really sharp against the white. Windshield looks good. I don't see a bunch of rock chips or anything in the paint here. Really looks like a clean truck, like I said. No chips in the windshield. Has the 17-inch alloy wheels. Brakes again felt good. Has the tow mirrors, which I like. So these mirrors just push up and out they come, so you're going to be able to see around your trailer really nicely. Also has the where you can crack your window and you don't get the rain in. Quad cab, so you got 3 seats back here. Does flip up. Does have some storage underneath here. I don't see any major scratch, dents, nothing of that sort. Again, clean pickup truck. It is pre-wired 4 flat and 7 round. Has the hitch back here. Chrome bumper. There's where your backup camera is. Spray-in bed liner. The bed looks really clean. Some use, you can tell, but nothing major. Again, 4-wheel drive. Coming to the passenger side, again, a clean truck. I don't see any rust or anything of that sort. Overall, this truck, my rating gets an A+. Inside, outside, clean truck for 2017, just under 115,000 miles. Be a great truck to have around the house. You never know how much you need a truck until you don't have one, right? So that's what I like to say, and that there's a lot of truth to that. Financing is available on this particular truck. You can click the links on the website or below on the YouTube for more information on that and trade-in value. We'd love to have your trade if you have one to trade. You can bother trying to sell it yourself, but we'll give you really good money for it right now on trade-in. So with that, that's my review on this 2017 Ram 1500. Thanks for watching, everyone.